Hey, how's it going? My name's Carl. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to install this, a scope mount for an AR rifle on that AR over there. I previously installed the scope using Weaver rings like this, which work just fine if you can mount everything on top of the upper receiver. My problem was the front mount was on the handguard, and a lot of people decided to point that out to me that was wrong. So today we're going to fix that. Alright, here we go. Let's give this a shot and see what happens, alright? So first, we're going to need to take out these 8 Allen head screws that hold in the rings so that we can put the scope in this and then mount it onto the gun. Now this mount that I bought, it has spacers, so if your scope is 1 inch diameter, this will work. This will just fit in here like that, and then the rings will mount your scope. But the scope I have is 30 millimeters, which these rings are not needed for that. We're just going to continue taking out the rest of these and stay tuned. So there we go. Empty scope mount. Now we just need to put the scope in and put the rings back on and tighten it down. This is the scope we're going to be mounting using this mount. And one thing you really want to make sure when you're mounting the scope is that you actually mount it level, or your crosshairs will be off when you go to test fire it. So now that we have the scope, looks pretty level to me. Now we'll just go ahead and put the top rings back on. So now we have the front part mounted. We're going to go ahead and do the same to the back. Alright, looks like we got that pretty snug, and now we're going to turn the rifle around and mount this up. Alright, here we go. We'll have to loosen these nuts up right here, which will allow these pieces right here to move so that we can get the rifle or the scope mounted exactly where we'd like it. And then if you notice on the bottom, there's these rods right here that will go inside these grooves. And then once we lock it down, the scope should not move. Now that we have that on there, we'll just tighten these down and we should be in business. Good to go. And there you go, folks. We mounted my scope with this new mount, and everything is on the upper receiver. Now the only thing I need to do is take this out and test fire it. I'll let you guys know how it does. Thanks for watching. I almost forgot. I'll put in the description links to what scope this is, what mount I used, just so you guys know.